Hello guys, welcome to another video from programming tutorial channel. In this video I want to solve the question number 3.12. There is given a figure. The figure is in chapter 3. Let's see that. This is a class name account. It's given, and also a test class is given here. This is the test class. I have typed it in the NetBeans, and the question is asking us to modify this account to debit amounts from the accounts. So let's start it. Now let's create a method. Debit, create a attribute name amount. If amount is less than balance, then it should minus the balance. Else it should print that message which is given in the question. This message, we should print this message. If the account number, if the balance in the account is less than deposit amount, then we should show this message. So now let's modify the test class. Here we have the test class. I have typed that figure, and let's start modifying. Debit amount. Now we should start debiting from this accounts. Enter debit amount from account 1. Let's scan the debit amount. Debit amount equals to input dot nextDouble. Now it should show that we are subtracting module dot .f from account 1. So let's show that we are subtracting account 1 dot debit. Debit amount, we are passing the debit amount to this variable, to this method. Now what is the error? Wait, sorry, we have created that. This is void. It should be double. Now we remove that error. So let's start the we are subtracting only. Here we should show only the amount which we want to subtract. Now let's subtract it. Account 1 dot debit. Now it will subtract this value from the balance of account number 1. Now let's show them that here we need to show that these two accounts, so we need to copy this again. Now let's start to debit from account number 2. Enter debit amount from account 2. Now debitamount equals to input.nextDouble So let's now let's show that we are subtracting this value from account number 2. Subtracting module.f module.2f from account 2. Now we should press some slash n here. Now we should show that the amount debit amount. Now let's subtract it. Account 2 dot debit amount, and pass this value to deb. Also, now let's show again the balance of accounts. For a nice output, we need to have some slash n here, slash n. Now let's check if we are doing it good. There's some problem. Now we should return some statements here. I need to I think we have a problem here, and double it should be void because we don't need that this method returns some value to us. Now we have done it, so let's print. You see here that we are passing two values to our constructor. Here it's showing this as 0. You see here it's 0. Now why it's 0? Because in the constructor of this class we are initializing that if the initial balance is less than 0, if the initial balance is less than 0, then we should if the initial balance is greater than 0, then balance should be equal to initial balance. If it is less than 0, then it will be set to be 0. Now let's check the output. Enter deposit amount from account number 1, 12. It's now showing that account number 1 has this value, account number 2 has this value. So let's enter the deposit amount for account number 2. Now it is again showing us the balances. So let's enter the amount for debiting from account number 2. From number 1, let's subtract 30. Now it is 32 and it is still 300. So let's enter some wrong out input. 600 debit amount exceed account balance. So it's not doing any action, and the output is completely correct. So thank you guys. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel so that you can get my next videos. Thank you.